Minutes ago, court dismissed for the day in the criminal trial of Limestone County Sheriff Mike Blakely. Several sheriff's office employees testified for the prosecution in the sheriff's corruption trial. One employee said under oath she gave Mike Blakely $1,000 from her personal emergency savings.
WAY 31's Alex Torres-Perez joins us live from the courthouse. And Alex, that witness tried to kind of explain why she decided to give her own money to the sheriff.
Debbie Davis says she's been a lifelong friend of Sheriff Mike Blakely. She says she's worked for him for 18 years and has known him for even longer. She says in 2016, she received a call from the sheriff while he was out of town. He was supposed to be at a training conference in Gulf Shores, but was actually in Mississippi. Now, Blakely's attorneys explained a vendor at that conference invited him to go to Biloxi with him and other commissioners. Davis said it wasn't unusual for Blakely to call since he's always checking up on the sheriff's office when he's out of town. She says during their discussions, Blakely told her he was at the casino and asked her for $1,000. She didn't know what that money was for, but she assumed it was for gambling. Davis says she spoke with her husband and both agreed to lend him the money because, quote, it's no fun to be in a casino when you're losing. She says she was never intimidated, threatened, or forced to give him the money. When asked by the state, Davis said she loaned that kind of money to her friends before, though not often. She also said that even if Blakely wasn't sheriff, she'd give him the money. And now you're going to take a live look of Sheriff Mike Blakely. And that live look right now, court just dismissed in a few minutes, like Dan and Matt said. Now, Davis says that Blakely paid her back immediately after he returned from his trip. We do expect to resume court proceedings tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Reporting live in Athens, Alex Torres-Perez, WAY 31 News.
Thanks, Alex. You can follow